Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. There's a closet, coat closet in the entrance. Another closet here. It's a dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. It's got a dishwasher, a lot of common space. Another closet here. It's one of the bedrooms. A large bedroom, you can fit a king-size bed. Has a window. Has a double door closet. Bathroom, all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. The second bedroom, also a large bedroom. Got 2 windows. There's a double door closet. Beautiful apartment, a laundry in the building, elevator building, 2 blocks from the express train, the E train and F train, near grocery shops, banks, restaurants. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.